Hey, this is Aiden. I'm the developer of Tunnl.app, and I want to show you how to create services in the Tunnl.app dashboard. So let's start that. Let's go to the dashboard. Oh, that's not supposed to happen. And then we'll go to services, and this is where you will. Ooh, that was from a previous try. Let's delete that. In order to create a service, the first thing you need to do is you need to enroll an identity. If you don't have an identity, then you can't host a service off that identity. So first do that. And then we will actually create this service here. So let's do that. I'm going to name it portfolio. Remember, you can't change this, so don't expect to be able to change it in the future as of right now. And then there's the protocol family. If it's a web service, select HTTP. If it's anything else, select TCP/UDP. So this is a web service, and I should actually show what the service I'm going to be serving out over Tunnl is going to be. So it's located here on localhost 9999, or I should do actually 127.0.0.1. This is the loopback address 9999. So it's running locally here, and it's just my portfolio, and I want to serve that out to all my identities. So let's close that. So see that here. So go to connectivity, we'll create a tunnel binding. It's going to be a TCP service. It's running on the loopback address, port 9999. And the hosting identity is, since it's running locally on my loopback address on this machine that I'm on, I need to select this machine as the hosting identity. So I'm going to do that. And I will click next to configure the intercept. The intercept is how other identities and your identity really can access this service. It's going to be the DNS entry. So I'm going to set it to Aiden's.portfolio, port 80. So what's happening here is there's a mapping between the loopback address 127.0.0.1 to Aiden's.portfolio and port 9999 to port 80. So when you type in this, Aiden's.portfolio:80, it's going to be mapped to 127.0.0.1 on the hosting identity here. Oh, there we go. Good thing it saves. And I will submit now. It's going to create it, and real quick, let's go in here. So I'm going to see two services pop up. One is how the service is hosted, and one is how the service is accessed. Yep, so here's the host, and here's the bind and the dial hosting and accessing. So now I can go to http://aidens.portfolio port 80, or I could omit that because it's the standard is port 80, and it'll find it. So now I can even go to a incognito tab, and it will load. So there you go. That's how you create a service. If you need help with anything else, enrolling an identity, or what to do when you receive an invite to a service share, then go check out my other videos. Thanks for giving my app a try. Bye.